If you're a gardener, you know that having the right pair of boots is essential. You need boots that are waterproof, durable, and comfortable to wear for long periods of time. But with so many different gardening boots on the market, it can be tough to know which ones are the best. That's where we come in. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best gardening boots on the market. We'll be looking at factors like price, durability, comfort, and traction. So whether you're a casual gardener or a professional landscaper, we've got you covered. Number 1. Western Chief 21006213P Waterproof Boot. This waterproof boot is made to keep your feet dry even in the wettest conditions. The rubber sole and construction ensure that no puddle or rainstorm can get the best of you. With an 11.75-inch shaft, these boots provide excellent coverage and protection from rain and mud. The decorative side buckle adds a touch of style, and the medial elastic gore ensures a comfortable fit. Number 2. Dunlop Lightweight Waterproof Boot. The Dunlop boot is made from a durable PVC material up to 25% lighter than classic PVC boots. It features an energy-absorbing Baylock outsole with channels to repel water, making it 100% waterproof. The boots have replaceable economy cushion insoles and a PVC outsole, providing comfort and durability. It is perfect for various applications, including everyday use, gardening, agriculture, and construction. Number 3. Litfun Mid-Calf Waterproof Boot. These boots come equipped with a durable rubber sole, providing excellent grip and traction even in wet and slippery conditions. These boots not only offer functionality, but also a touch of style with their fashionable Scottish pattern design. It will add a trendy flair to your spring, summer, or autumn outfit. These aren't just for rainy days. They are perfect for outdoor activities like gardening, camping, farm work, and trail hikes. Number 4. NORTY Ladies Waterproof Boot. The NORTY Ladies Waterproof Boot is made of high-quality, hard-working materials that are designed to keep your feet dry in all wet weather conditions. The boots also have a water-resistant lining and a deep tread to help prevent slipping. The boot is designed to fit comfortably and securely. The boots have a soft cotton lining to prevent chafing and feature a flex band on each side for a snug feel. Number 5. HISEA Rubber Ladies Waterproof Boot. These boots are crafted to endure harsh conditions, owing to their construction featuring a robust 5mm for waist-stretch nylon flex foam and premium quality rubber overlays. The 2mm air mesh lining ensures that your feet stay dry and comfortable by allowing air to circulate throughout the boots. With a comfort rating from sub-freezing temperatures to 86°F, these boots are suitable for year-round use. So, there you have it, the top 5 best gardening boots on the market. We hope this video helped you narrow down your choices and find the perfect pair of boots for your gardening needs. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Tools Query channel for more great videos on all things tools and DIY. Thanks for watching.